Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best low-spin golf balls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Titalist Velocity Golf Balls, a great option for players looking for maximum distance. These balls are engineered with a high-speed LSX core in a spherically tiled 350 octahedral dimple design, which provides an impressive combination of speed and high ball flight trajectory. The NAS Plus cover offers a playable greenside feel, ensuring performance for long drives without sacrificing short game control. In terms of design, these balls boast a clean, classic white aesthetic, matching Titalist's reputation for quality and precision. The multi-layer construction adds durability while maintaining consistent performance. Ideal for players who love full-throttle speed, these balls shine during long drives and can be a reliable companion for golfers seeking distance-focused performance. However, these balls may not be the best choice for players who prioritize spin or ultra-soft feel, as their design leans more towards speed and distance. Overall, the Titalist Velocity Golf Balls are perfect for players who value explosive power off the tee. While the price is not listed, they are a strong contender in the performance category and worth considering for distance enthusiasts. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the Bridgestone E12 golf balls. These balls feature a new optimal flight system, which is designed to increase carry distance and provide a higher initial launch. The low-compression soft core is perfect for players seeking a smoother feel and improved flight consistency. Bridgestone's innovative mindset technology adds an extra layer of performance enhancement, making these balls a solid choice for mid-handicap golfers. The design is modern, with a high-launch white finish that combines visibility with a sleek look. These balls are constructed as two-piece balls, which contribute to their affordability while delivering reliable performance. The Bridgestone E12 golf balls are especially suited for players looking to improve their distance without breaking the bank. On the downside, these balls may not offer the same level of greenside spin as premium options. However, for just $24.99, they provide excellent value for golfers focused on driving distance and launch height. If you're a casual golfer or someone who wants to experiment with low-spin balls without spending too much, these are a fantastic choice. At rank number 3, we have the Titalist True Feel Golf Balls, a fantastic choice for golfers who prioritize soft feel and trust the Titalist brand. These balls feature the new True Touch core, which offers long-distance performance complemented by a uniquely soft feel. The 376 tetrahedral dimple design ensures a low-penetrating ball flight, providing excellent control in windy conditions. The True Feel balls are wrapped in a softer 3.0 True Flex cover, which increases greenside spin and control, making them versatile for both short and long shots. The design is aesthetically pleasing and reflects Titalist's commitment to quality craftsmanship. This ball is ideal for golfers seeking a balanced approach to distance and short game control. While the price is not available, these balls are typically positioned in the mid-range tier, offering good value for players who want the trusted Titalist experience without the premium price tag of tour-level balls. The only downside is that players looking for extreme distance may find more suitable options elsewhere. If you're looking for a low-spin ball with a soft feel and reliable performance across the board, the True Feel is an excellent choice. Rank number 2. The Callaway Golf Super Soft Golf Balls are the best budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $24.97, these balls deliver impressive performance for their price point. The two-piece construction and low-compression design make them ideal for golfers seeking a soft feel and consistent distance. Callaway's super soft technology ensures straighter ball flight, making them forgiving for players with slower swing speeds. The design is simple yet functional, with a classic white finish and durable rubber material. These balls have a softer core compared to competitors, which contributes to their signature feel. They've garnered rave reviews from thousands of customers, boasting a whopping 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon. While they don't offer the same level of greenside spin or control as more premium options, the super soft golf balls are great for beginners and casual players looking for a reliable and affordable set of low-spin golf balls. If you're looking for maximum value at a budget price, the Callaway Supersoft is an unbeatable choice. And finally, at rank number 1, we have the Callaway Golf 2022 Chrome Soft XLS golf balls, the ultimate premium option for golfers who demand the best. Priced at $44.99, these balls are packed with advanced features, including Callaway's precision technology, which ensures tight dispersion and consistently fast ball speeds. The hyper-elastic soft fast core delivers tour-level speed, spin, and control, making it the perfect choice for skilled players. These balls are specifically designed for maximum distance with a lower spin profile, making them ideal for players who want to bomb it off the tee. The Tour Aero design provides consistent ball flight in any condition, while the multi-layer construction adds durability and versatility. The Chrome Soft XLS balls offer unparalleled greenside control, making them as effective in your short game as they are for long drives. The only downside here is the price, which might be steep for casual golfers. However, for experienced players who value precision and premium performance, these balls are worth every penny. If you're looking for a tour-level, low-spin golf ball that delivers in every category, the Callaway Chrome Soft XLS is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.